Imagine a world where you can create your own AI models right from your desk. A world where personalized AI assistants, tailored healthcare solutions, and even custom gaming experiences are just a few clicks away. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Today, we're diving into NVIDIA's groundbreaking innovation Project DIGITS and exploring how it's bringing the power of AI supercomputing to your home. Let's get started. First, what exactly is Project DIGITS? It's NVIDIA's first personal AI supercomputer, designed for researchers, data scientists, and even hobbyists who want to experiment with AI models locally. Powered by the revolutionary GB10 and Grace Blackwell SuperChip, this compact device delivers a staggering 1 petaflop of AI performance. That's enough to run models with up to 200 billion parameters, all from your desktop. At just $3,000, Project DIGITS is not just powerful, it's affordable too. It's like having a cloud computing platform right on your desk. And the best part, you can prototype, fine-tune, and deploy AI models locally, then seamlessly scale them to the cloud or data centers. This is a game changer for AI development. So, what can you do with Project DIGITS? Let's explore some real-world use cases that show how personalized AI at home could transform our lives. Imagine a law firm where every lawyer has cloned their voice using Project DIGITS. These AI personal assistants can respond to client emails, draft legal documents, and even attend virtual meetings on their behalf. After a court session, the AI generates a detailed debrief and court summary in the lawyer's own voice. Or consider a robotics company designing warehouse automation systems. Using Project DIGITS, they can simulate and optimize robot behavior in real time. From navigation algorithms to object recognition, they can test and refine their models locally, ensuring efficiency and reducing errors before deploying robots in the real world. In healthcare, Project DIGITS is a game changer. Imagine a researcher analyzing genomic data to predict how patients will respond to cancer treatments. With this device, they can process massive datasets locally, accelerating breakthroughs in personalized medicine while keeping sensitive data secure. Even in gaming, Project DIGITS opens up new possibilities. Developers can create AI-driven non-player characters, NPCs, that adapt to player interactions. Think dynamic dialogues, realistic animations, and immersive storytelling, all powered by AI models trained right on your desk.
Johnny, do you like ice cream?
Ice cream? Seriously? We're talking about ice cream now? Look, V, I got a lot on my mind and ice cream ain't one of them. Our sorry asses. So, no, I don't give a damn about ice cream. Can we focus on something important?
And let's not forget education. Universities can use Project DIGITS to teach students how to deploy advanced AI models. From experimenting with PyTorch to fine-tuning large language models, students gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge technology, preparing them for the AI-driven future. But what does this mean for you and me? How does personalized AI at home impact our daily lives? Let's dream a little. You're a fitness enthusiast. By analyzing data from your wearable devices, Project DIGITS can generate personalized workout plans, predict injury risks, and even suggest nutrition plans, all processed locally for speed and privacy. Small business owners can also benefit. Imagine training a customer service chatbot tailored to your specific needs. You can test and refine it locally before leading to your website, ensuring it's ready to handle real-world queries. Project DIGITS isn't just a tool for professionals, it's a gateway to a future where AI is personalized, accessible, and integrated into every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to entertainment, education to entrepreneurship, the possibilities are endless. So, what do you think? Are you ready to bring the power of AI supercomputing into your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.